Well, I've lived in this house for 24 years, and we had 3 major floods here. Big rainstorms that came on fast, and literally the whole back side here where the lawn is was a good 2 feet underwater. And the basement was flooded, and it was a disaster, and it happened again and it happened again because there was no absorption in the driveway. Our neighbor did a ton of
Extensive,
God bless her.
extensive research.
Did
was
a ton
done.
of research and put this driveway in, and it has been actually quite miraculous. And it was re-proven to us last week when there was massive rain again, and we all stood out here watching water building up on the sidewalk, on the street, on these concrete pieces here, and this driveway, it was like, it looked like it wasn't even raining.
When we had our last major flood, it was a big enough flood that we lost a car that was parked in the back because the water was so high. And there is nothing now, nothing, and it's beautiful.
Yeah.
When we first put it in, the number of people that stopped by to just say, what is this? Where did you get this?
We're taking pictures of it.
It's attractive, and it is, I've never seen anything like it in terms of what it does. The water, you don't even see the water hit it. The water just disappears.